Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name's Nastazsa. If you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and TikTok if you haven't done so as well. For today's video, I'm just sharing with you guys more home must-haves. I really hope you guys enjoy them. As always, the links to everything will be found in the description box down below. Without further ado, we could just jump right into it. All right, and then before I start, I did want to tell you guys that I linked what I'm wearing in the description box down below because I always get a ton of questions about it, especially this hat. I always mention how old this hat is and how I can't find anything similar, and I basically found the identical hat online, so I'm gonna link it down below, as well as my jacket. It's just like this nice oversized Levi's denim jacket in a black wash, and I got it out of the men's section because I like it a little bit more like oversized. So I found the exact one that I got and it will be linked down below as well. All right, but the first home item I wanted to share with you guys is just this gorgeous Sofa Via sofa. You guys know how much I love Sofa Via, and they've definitely been expanding their range of furniture and definitely getting into more design styles. So I've been seeing a lot more items from them that I love that are personally my style. This curved sofa is absolutely gorgeous. If you're in the market for a sofa, this is definitely one of the options that I would check out. Sofa Via also has like such amazing quality stuff. Very familiar with their furniture. They are really great. So again, if you are in the market for a nice sofa and you want that curved look, I would definitely look into this one. Next up are these absolutely gorgeous wine glasses. I've actually never seen anything like this before. These are like a marble with glass, and I think they're absolutely stunning. Again, if you have like a cabinet where you have like exposed cabinets, I would say, and you're just like looking to like fill them with nice quality, really nice and unique glassware, these would be a really good option for that. Obviously, they were perfect to use and great for entertaining, but if you're looking to like style some cabinetry in the kitchen, this is a really great option to check out. Next up is from a brand that I recently discovered, and I've been talking about it a lot. It's called Nambe. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. A lot of you guys in the comments said that you're like very familiar and a lot of your stuff from the kitchen is from there, which I think is super cool because the stuff is, to me, worth the quality. I've gotten a few pieces from them now and it is a little pricey, but considering like the longevity of these items in the kitchen, I think they're worth it, especially the quality and uniqueness. These coasters are super, super cool, very unique. And again, this is something that you're not gonna have to like continuously buy. You can buy this one set of coasters and be set completely. So I like to opt for, again, pieces like this where it's just like a one-time buy. This isn't something that's gonna go in and out of style. This is perfect, absolutely stunning. And again, kind of serves as a decor piece as well. Some more amazing glassware that I saw are just these like glasses. I think they're just super unique. The shape of them is really gorgeous. So again, if you're in the market for some glassware that you want to also display, these are another really great option to check out. I just love the shape of them and I think that they're super cute. So that's another really nice glassware option. And then another option that I love for glassware personally is I love these like stackable cups that you can just stack within your cabinetry. They save so much space and I just find they're so easy to store. I also love the shape on these and the fact that you can get them in a few different glassware colors. So if this is something you are looking for, highly recommend checking those out as well. The blue ones are absolutely gorgeous. And then lastly, with the glassware, I really love this carafe from Joy-Joel. Joy-Joel is actually one of my favorite brands when it comes to glassware. You get something that looks super cute, kind of trendy, but it's also good quality and does not break the bank. So that's why I love Joy-Joel. Most of my glassware is from Joy-Joel. They just have some super awesome stuff. So if you're like me and you drink a lot of water, you like keeping water by the bed, this carafe is a really gorgeous option to check out. All right, and moving on to some really awesome coffee tables. I personally love the shape of this black coffee table. It reminds me of a coffee table that I shared from Anthropologie that was literally probably 3 times the price of this. So if you kind of wanted to get that same trendy look, but you wanted to get it for less, this black rectangle coffee table is definitely something to check out. It's really good quality as well. So I really love this one. And then the next coffee table I wanted to include is because this is literally a dupe for a coffee table I had before. So this one is basically the exact same shape. You're getting the glass top. I personally love to opt for a glass top, or if I were to purchase one of those wood tables, I would just go to my local glass shop and have like glass cut to fit the top. It's just easier to clean and easier to keep your furniture looking really nice. But I like to opt sometimes for just like the metal and glass, which is what this coffee table is, and I absolutely love it. Again, designer dupe. This one is like offered at half the price as the one from the other store that I got it from. So if you're in the market for this, this one is definitely a more affordable option. Next up is this slip cover chair. Now this is definitely the style of like chair and sofa I want to do in like my next living room design. So I've been on the hunt for just like perfect pieces like this that have great reviews, are super comfortable, and have the slip covers so you can keep them nice and cleaned and send them to the cleaners. I personally like to opt for something like this that you know you can keep clean. You can also get ones that have like the performance fabric that you can fully take off. If you have like pets and animals, I would opt for something like the slip cover so you can go and take it and have it dry cleaned and just like keep it always looking fresh. But I love the size and scale of this chair. It's definitely top of my wish list. All right, and then if you are looking for like a West Elm get the look for less, I stumbled across this chair that literally just reminds me of something you would see from West Elm. Very mid-century modern. This price point is insane. This one is only a couple $100, whereas obviously if you're purchasing from West Elm, you're looking at a couple $1,000s for a chair like this. The quality on this is also really good. I know someone who personally has these and they are stunning. So if you're in the market for like a mid-century modern chair, this one is a really perfect option to check out. All right, next up, when it comes to coffee table styling, I love the look of like a really nice coffee table styling. I love to look on Instagram and see people's coffee tables beautifully styled. But for me, to be completely honest, like I don't have stuff on my coffee table because I actually like use my coffee table. I'll have like my laptop on there. Sometimes I'll even eat on my coffee table, like not gonna lie. I don't have it looking all pretty, but I do like to keep things on it that are more practical. So this marble tic-tac-toe set is definitely something I would keep on my coffee table. Serves as a piece of decor. It's a fun game and like great for like entertainment as well. It's just a beautiful, nice, solid piece of decor. So if you're looking for something like that and in the market for something like that, this is a great piece to just have on your coffee table or your dining table that's a little bit more practical. Came across these candlestick holders that I think are absolutely stunning. You guys got me like all in love with the candlestick holders because I know it's something you guys absolutely love, so I look out for them a lot now, and I found these and I'm like, these are absolutely gorgeous. These would also be perfect on my new entryway table that I got because it's like more of like a rustic reclaimed wood, and I feel like something like this would make it look really nice and just stand out like the contrast of the two different materials. So if you're looking for some really nice candlestick holders, I would opt for this. I love the shape on them. Next, I came across this jar set that I thought would be perfect for entertaining. You could put different dipping sauces or jams and stuff like this. I'm currently like expanding a lot of my like serving ware, especially for entertaining. I feel like it's great to have pieces like this. So I'm kind of building that collection right now, and I feel like this is just a really great, really gorgeous piece to have. You could even style this like on your kitchen counter with like salts and sugars if you like the way that this looks. I think it's just overall a really gorgeous piece, and I just love the gold on it. Next up, as I mentioned, I'm looking to find a sofa that's just a little bit more streamlined and like really nice cozy white sofa. So I came across this one and I absolutely love the price point on it, especially for the quality and the comfortability. I have personally seen this and I just love it. Comes in a few different colors, so if the white isn't your style, definitely a really great place to check out. In general, I feel like Macy's has a lot of really great sofas, so I can probably do an entire video on all the different sofas from Macy's. I feel like that would be good for you guys. So if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments down below, but definitely a really great sofa option to check out. So I know another thing that we love on this channel are trays, and I came across this stoneware tray that I think is absolutely stunning. When I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I just love the like natural stone and just how it looks like it was just cut completely. Like it looks like more of like a raw stone. This is gorgeous. I think if you're in the market for a tray and you want something a little bit different, a little more unique. I know the Amazon ones are great, but I feel like this one is like even better, and not a ton of people are gonna have it. So definitely check that one out if you're in the market for a new tray. All right, and then I wanted to include this rug because this is literally my favorite rug, and it's pretty much sold out everywhere. And I went on Macy's and I was like, oh my gosh, it's in stock on Macy's. They have the Chris Loves Julia collection of rugs, which I love. This one in particular, I think is my absolute favorite. Great neutral rug, great pattern, because it has a pattern on it that you can mix and match and like use in pretty much any space within your home. Like the pattern is not too busy. It's more like just simplistic. Love this, the quality, the softness, everything about this rug is absolutely perfect. This is like my top pick for putting a rug in a bedroom. So if you're in the market for a new rug, I would highly recommend checking that one out. All right guys, that is everything that I wanted to share with you guys for today's video from Macy's home section. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, as always, give this video a thumbs up to let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.